You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Sa Jewish culture po, kapag ang isang kaibigan na naghahanap ng kanlungan sa kanyang kakilalang pamilya, ang gagawin ng pamilya, sila yung may responsibilidad upang ipaalam sa komunidad na ang taong ito ay nasa ilalim ng aming proteksyon. And the best way for them to show that, it is to set a table outside where the community will be able to see ang kaaway niya, maging kaaway din namin. Ang gagalaw sa kanya, mananagot sa amin. Kaya wag niyong gagalawin yung tao na to. So yun pala, you set a table before me in the presence of my enemies. So realize this, God is setting a table of abundance in the presence of our enemies, of our fears, of sickness, of uncertainty, of poverty. Nandiyan nakapaligid yung mga tao, nagmamasid, mga kaaway sa atin. But here I am, seated along with God before this table and before the presence of those enemies. Still, God sets the table without hesitation. And I am here, ready to partake His blessings in the presence of my enemies. We often view enemies as a threat. But with God, with our persistent prayer, the presence of our enemies surrounding us right now is not a threat, but a trademark. It is a sign. It is a symbol that the Lord, the provider, is about to feed you. He is about to take care of you. He is about to bring you blessings beyond measure. He is about to defend you. He is about to take care of whatever it is that you need when you just persistently pray to Him. Ang Diyos natin ay hindi malilimitahan ng mga inakala nating kalaban. But then, kapag may mga kalaban, let us have a new perspective today. Pag may mga kalaban na tingin natin nakapaligid sa atin, sila ay mga tanda na ang Diyos ay pagpapalain ka. Ang Diyos ay pagtatagumpayin ka. Ang Diyos ay pagagalingin ka. Ang Diyos ay iaahon ka. When we pray persistently, it will activate our power. It will bring us providential revelation. And above all, it will change us that problems become a provision. Enemies is not a threat, but a treat from God, the supreme and sovereign God of all.